Stretch your dollars, maximizing your money's worth. Hello everyone, welcome to our latest video where we dive into common English phrases that can help you understand and speak English like a native. Today, we're focusing on a very practical phrase, stretch your dollars. If you've ever wondered what it means to make your money go further, you're in the right place. Let's unlock the secrets behind this phrase and how you can use it in your everyday life. Stretch your dollars is an idiom that means to use your money in an efficient way that allows you to buy more things or to do more with less money. It's all about maximizing the value you get from each dollar you spend. This phrase is often used in the context of budgeting, shopping, or financial planning. 1. Budgeting wisely. Creating a budget that prioritizes your needs over wants can help you stretch your dollars. It means planning your expenses so you can save money or spend it on more important things. 2. Comparing prices. Before making a purchase, compare prices at different stores or online platforms. Sometimes, a little research can lead to big savings. 3. Using coupons and discounts. Look out for sales, coupons, and discount codes. These can significantly reduce your spending, allowing your dollars to stretch further. 4. Buying in bulk. Purchasing items in bulk can often save you money in the long run, especially for non-perishable items or goods you use regularly. 5. DIY projects. Doing things yourself instead of paying for services can save a lot of money. Whether it's home repairs, cooking, or crafting, DIY is a great way to stretch your dollars. Stretching your dollars isn't just about saving money. It's about living within your means and making informed decisions that benefit your financial health. It encourages mindfulness about spending and promotes a lifestyle that values sustainability and resourcefulness. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means to stretch your dollars and how you can apply this principle in your life. Whether you're saving for a goal, managing a tight budget, or simply looking to get the most out of your money, remembering to stretch your dollars can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips on English language learning. See you in the next video.